Welcome to our cross-reference tutorial on setting up your chart of accounts. Today, we'll guide you through the process of customizing your chart to better suit your business needs within the cross-reference platform. Remember, while we'll cover the basics to make the software work for you, it's essential to consult with your accountant or bookkeeper for specific financial advice tailored to your business. A chart of accounts is a structured listing of all the financial accounts used by an organization. Its primary purpose is to organize and categorize financial transactions to facilitate accurate and efficient recording, tracking, and reporting of a company's financial activities. A well-organized chart of accounts simplifies the bookkeeping process. Each account represents a specific aspect of the business, such as assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Cross-reference goes beyond mere integration and works only with real-time accounting updates. Let me explain. In many systems, there's a gap between your job management or sales system and your accounting program. There's a need for synchronization, a step to create entries in the accounting system to reflect data from other packages. But not with cross-reference. Here, there's no disconnect, no lag, and certainly no synchronization headaches. As you manage sales, jobs, purchase orders, and record expenses on the regular user screens, something magical happens in the background. Our general ledger is automatically populated in real time. In every click of save, whether it's on a sale or any other action, you seamlessly recreate ledger entries. This process reflects your transactions instantly while maintaining an audit trail of the changes. Imagine a system where your chart of accounts is always up to date, accurate, and in sync with your business operations. For you, it means no more worrying about whether your sales or job management data is accurately represented in your accounts. Cross-reference makes accounting not just easy, but an integral part of your everyday business management. Seamlessly, effortlessly, and in real time. Now let's move beyond shameless self-promotion and dive into the practical steps needed to customize your chart of accounts in cross-reference. In cross-reference, as with most systems, bank accounts are embedded under cash on hand, within assets and credit cards are listed under credit cards in liabilities. First, start by editing the dummy entries to match your actual bank accounts and credit cards. Replace the placeholder names with your specific financial institution details. This step will make it easier to know what you are looking at in the banking screen, and it will add something familiar that makes this feel yours. If all you need is a bank account and credit card, then edit and change the description of the existing entries. However, if you need to add more bank accounts, here's how to do it. Take note of the number sequence of the existing accounts and decide on an account number for the new entry. This is crucial because when you are in the Create New Account screen, the numbers will not be in sight, and you might feel unsure of what to do. When creating a new account, always go in with a plan. What the account number will be and which account is immediately above it in the tree structure. This is the parent account, and you will need these two pieces of information to make a new account. To make a new bank account, select Bank from the account category, then type in the account number you decided on. This number should be in the acceptable range to keep things organized. Select the parent account, which should be cash on hand in this case, and leave the account level as detail and the allow posting set to yes. These just mean the account is usable for us, and not a system account or one that totals up other accounts. In the description, put the name of the bank and maybe enough account number information so that it makes sense to you when you see it as an option for payments later on. Click Save, and then check your chart of accounts to see if it is in there. Of course it is, but we love it when a plan comes together. For adding another credit card, it is a similar process. Select credit card for account category and make the parent credit cards with a good description. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your chart of accounts in cross-reference. We might need small tweaks later on, but now you know how to add an account and how to edit one. So if the need arises, it should be pretty straightforward. Remember, while this customization is often sufficient for many small businesses, it's essential to have your accountant or bookkeeper review your chart to ensure it meets your unique financial needs. When it comes to the chart of accounts, cross-reference provides a solid foundation, but personalized advice is key to your financial success. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, we're here to help you make the most of our platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the About screen in cross-reference. We are always happy to assist you.